In this video, we are going to test HX5's chemical resistance against methyl ethyl ketone and acetone to see how it performs against other common materials. Different needs require different materials. Plastics and polymers are commonly used for manufacturing, with some of the more popular ones being PVC, polycarbonate, and HDPE. HX5 was purposely designed to be as light as plastic, yet as strong as some metals. For this demonstration, we are going to soak PVC, polycarbonate, and HDPE alongside HX5 in two common aerospace industrial cleaning agents: methyl ethyl ketone, or MEK, which is widely known in the aviation industry for cleaning airline interiors, and acetone, which is commonly used to remove sticky adhesives, ink, permanent marker, and grease. We will see how chemically resistant these widely used plastics may be with prolonged exposure to these common aerospace industrial cleaning agents. Almost instantly, the ink printed on the side of the PVC has disintegrated, and within a few hours, the appearance of the polycarbonate rod has changed from clear and glassy to cloudy and dull. After 7 days of constant solvent exposure, let's see how the materials performed. For both the MEK and acetone, the PVC sample essentially absorbed all of the liquid and expanded to the width of the test tube, making it extremely difficult to remove. Upon removal, a complete shift in the performance of the material can be observed. It has degraded to a rubber-like composition. Both polycarbonate samples cracked and splintered and never regained their clarity. Similar to the HDPE rods, neither of the HX5 samples were visibly or structurally affected by prolonged exposure to either of these elements. HX5 has been tested and certified as an outstanding alternative to traditional materials, especially when corrosion resistance, weight, strength, and extreme temperatures are a concern. Additionally, HX5 is not only compatible with strong cleaning agents such as MEK and acetone, but it can also be treated with antimicrobial coatings for additional bacteria and virus protection and is resistant to UVC radiation. COVID-19 has illuminated a need for more aggressive sanitation methods, and manufacturing with HX5 answers the call. Engineering a perfect part requires extensive data and testing. To read more about our in-depth testing data and technical features of HX5, visit our website at www.alpineadvancedmaterials.com.